Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on two-factor authentication on FanDuel step by step. First, log into your FanDuel account and go to your account screen by tapping the bottom right of the home screen. Next, select Account Settings under the Account section. Then choose Two-Factor Authentication. On this screen, tap Set up Two-Factor Authentication. You will be asked to enter the phone number you want to use to receive SMS codes. Type in your number and select Text Verification Code. You will receive a text message with a code to confirm and activate two-factor authentication. Note that in some states, two-factor authentication is required and cannot be turned off. Some states also limit email codes or Authenticator apps, so the available methods may vary depending on your location. If you ever can't get your code via text, select Having Trouble with your code and choose Verify using email instead. This will send the verification notification to your registered email. If that option is not available in your area, you can contact live chat for help. If you want to update or change your phone number for two-factor authentication, go to Account menu, Account Settings, Two-Factor Authentication. Select Update Number. You'll receive a code on your current phone number to confirm before entering a new number. After confirmation, enter the new number and verify via text. And that's it. Two-factor authentication is now turned on, and your FanDuel account has an extra layer of security. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.